All right, welcome to the channel where we fix and we fix and we fix. Okay, let's see now. Ah, these are the intake ones. These are the exhaust ones. Okay. Okay. So anyway, now the rails for the exhaust ones don't have no marking on them. Okay, but the intake does. So anyway, what I like to do here, I have to set that in place like that. Um, and then the exhaust push rods are longer. That's another thing, by the way. So you want to sort out the longer push rods from the short ones. Now, normally I would prime this all up, but this isn't a fresh motor, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go with what we got. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 push rods. Check them out. Check them out on the drill. They're all straight, so that wasn't a problem. And then they all drop into those holes. Okay. Then that. And then we'll slide that down to that one. Slide that one down to that one. Slide that one down to that one if we can. Come on now. Okay, that one must be on the open side of things. I'm going to slide this one down to this one. And this. Okay. Just start that one. I'm going to start this one. Okay. Start that one. Start that one. Start this one. Uh-uh. Yeah. Okay. I need to get a flashlight out or something because I just don't have enough damn light. I gotta wash my hands off a little bit. There we go. What I like to do is I like to look at the push rod position. That looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Let's get a 10 millimeter going here. I want to make sure they're up in the rockers too, because that will throw your butt off. I'll guarantee you that. Yeah, that's in. That was in. In. Why is this? Password. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Why doesn't that seem right? You gotta keep double checking, you know? That's how you can do it. Okay. Yeah, there's something not right here. Something isn't right again. I don't know what's going on here. It seems like it's doesn't seem like that's wrong. It's probably me. You know, it's probably just me. No big deal, it's probably just me. But this one here just seems like it's hyperextended, this one here. And I'm trying to figure out why that would be. The exhaust push rods are longer. Okay, let's just pull this off. We're going to double check. We're probably okay, but I need to double check. Okay, let's just sit here for a little while and turn on this bolt here. Pull this all the way off because I'm disgusted right now. Set that over there. Yeah, that's all fine. Yeah. No. Just this one is so long. Must be at the top of its stroke. Let's double check that. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to grab a 21 millimeter. This is the way to figure that out. If you want to double check yourself, you take a 21 millimeter and a 1/2 inch drive ratchet and turn the crankshaft. I know I was okay, but I just need to know. I need to know, you know? You can't second guess this stuff. Finger on it. There, ratchet fell off. It ain't moving. Why isn't it moving? Doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. Maybe I didn't turn it far enough. God, hands so full of oil. It's so full of oil. Okay, so I probably got something wrong with this. There it goes now. I'm fine. Just overreacting. Just overreacting. Let's try this again. Sometimes I want to make sure, and I want to make sure, and I want to make sure, and then I overreact, and then I screw it up. So I have to keep trying, you know. So let's start getting some bolts into place here. Here's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. Tighten each one just a little bit at a time so you bend the shaft. Come on, baby, work with me. Oh, that one's off. Everybody's trashed it. Let's see. There we go. Gotta make sure that this one's off. Yep. Yeah. Come on, ratchet. See, this front one's off a little bit. Now we gotta sit here and screw around with it until we figure it out. Whoops. Okay. Just keep going until it comes back. Okay. Okay. Double checking. Okay, so that one's good. That one's good. That's good, and that one's good. Okay. Okay, then I need a long extension to get to the back one. Oh, my back. But like I say, you gotta double check it, because what? Now this ain't gonna work, huh? Why won't this work? Yeah. Huh. Okay. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. You win. God, I can't see nothing. Gonna drop it down the goddamn wrong hole here. There we go. There we go. There we go. And there we go. Okay. Now, the intake ones say I on them for intake, and then the exhaust ones don't have nothing on it. Some of the earlier 2004 models and stuff like that, well, they had, okay, so let's start rolling up the rockers here. Some of that into place. Okay. Come on, you can do this. Be kind to me. I'm trying to fix you. I'm not trying to hurt you. What's going on here? Oh. Every little thing will try to screw you up. You gotta keep moving stuff around until you figure out which one's holding up. There we go. Okay, now. So we'll just start them. Start them off so it holds the rocker shaft into place. Okay. Then we'll just lift it. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to lift it and that back one's going to come out. Yep. Unfortunately, what happens is that it, sort of in. All in. They'll be off just a little bit. Unfortunately, when they built these Hemis, they didn't make everything so centric where it would fall into place. The lifters, they will down in the lifters because they have to. Because how would you get to them? You know what I'm saying? If they designed it the wrong way like that, I wouldn't even buy these motors. I wouldn't give them a time of day for them. Come on now. Well, cheap creepers keep rolling the wrong freaking direction. Yep. Okay. Here, I'll pull up on this and that one will fall out now, so. No, it didn't. Okay, we got one left there. Okay, that one's way out. Okay. Oh, my back. Boy, this is taking forever. I'm not going to video record the other side, that's for sure. It's just taking forever. Too long. That one's out. That one's out. That one's in. That one's in. So, let's grab this and start securing away. Okay. What is. There we go. There we go. Man. There we go. Okay. So we got this one's in. This one's in. Okay, this one's out. Okay. Do it all by hand then, huh? Okay. That one's in. And then this one. Come on, Ratchet, work with me. Oh, you're not gonna though. You're not gonna work with me. I know better than that already. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Tap that over. Okay. Yep. Yep. Uh-huh. Yep. Okay. Now it's time to inspect. You feel for them if they're in the center. Okay, that one feels good. That one seems to feel all right. Okay. And you know they're in place if they're a little loose, you know, like that at first. This one's being activated, so this one's tight. So let's crank it over now again. See how everything moves. There. I can't handle it no more. My knuckles are bloody from turning it over. So I guess I'm a loser when it comes to that. So that was right. Yeah. You ever get frustrated? Any of you people? You ever get frustrated? Hmm? Like me? I'm frustrated right now. So I need to turn it over, and I'm having. Okay, had to take a break. Had to de-escalate. Learned of a good friend of mine that just passed away again, so another passing. But that's the way it works, I guess. Okay. I believe I got them all snug down. Now it's 16 foot-pounds per bolt. We're going to start in the middle. I got a long extension on there because I wanted to. Okay, make up your mind, y'all. Make up your darn mind. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna tighten everyone down except for that one last one. Okay, we gotta start in the middle. Listen for the click. Then we would, okay, double check. See, if you over tighten these will just crush the shaft, you know. So we got still that one to do. See, I stopped now. Oh, give me the wrong reading, I suppose. Okay, and then those are all good except for that one. Okay, now I gotta try to get to that one. So let's try this routine. Okay. Let's try a knuckle on there. Now we got an extension on this one. So we're gonna go just a little past the click. You know. Little past it. Hopefully we can get this on there. No? Okay, I guess not. Okay, then we'll go try this way. Okay, I guess not. Try this way. No, that's too much. That ain't gonna happen. Okay, I gotta find a short 10 millimeter, I guess. Okay. I go find a 10 millimeter because I missed it by a quarter of an inch. Wow. Okay, went a little further. So do we have them all torqued? Should I double check them? Let's double check them. Oh, yeah. We double checked it anyway, didn't we? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So anyway, let's just double check things now. We have the flashlight here. Want to make sure everything's centered up. All these tips are on there. Okay, you can see that. That's fine. The bottom ones. Yeah, that one can be moved over a little bit, but that's fine. We just scoot it over with a like this. It's half on there. It would move over by itself. See what I mean? And then we want to make sure that the rockers are all in their thing. Okay. See, I believe that's right. Okay. You gotta do these. These you gotta do by feel. And you'll notice if they're off. Sometimes you gotta close your eyes too. Nope, that looks fine. So this side is done. Now I'm gonna go do the other side quick. I'm not gonna video it. So I'm going to go do that side. That side's a heck of a lot easier because the master cylinder ain't in the way. So I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. I'm going to go to that side there and